Okay, so today we're going to find missing angles in a triangle. And we know from the angle activity that we did before this that all angles add to be 180. So in order to find your missing angle, you normally go by the equation A plus B plus C equals 180 degrees. But this triangle does not give us ABC. It gives us O, M, N. So I'm going to write O plus M plus N equals 180 degrees. It gives us what O is, so I'm going to substitute 42 for O. It gives us M, so I'm going to substitute 100 for M. It does not give us N, so I'm going to pull the variable N down, equals to 180. And we know from solving equations, the first step is you draw a line down the equal sign. Step 1, we are going to have to combine like terms. And your two like terms are 42 and 100, so you add those two. 142 plus N equals 180. Second step, you got to solve the equation. To do that, you do the inverse operation. Okay, this operation is addition. So to do the inverse, we are going to subtract 142 from both sides. These two 142s cancel out, bring down N. You can't take 2 from 0, so you have to regroup. And 7 minus 4 is 3. So the measure of angle N is 38 degrees. Okay, mirror 5. So this time, instead of writing ABC first, I'm going to write J plus K plus L equals 180 degrees. J is 68 degrees, so 68 substituted for J. Does not give us K. I'm going to bring K down. Substitute 57 in for L equals 180. Draw your line. Then you have to combine the like terms. 68 and 57 are your like terms. So 68 plus 57, 7 and 8, 15, carry your 1, 1, 6, and 5 is 12. So you have 125 plus K equals 180. And again, you do the inverse operation. The opposite of addition is subtraction. So I'm going to subtract 125 from both sides. These two cancel out, leaving K. Can't take 5 from 0, so regroup. 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. So the measure of angle K is 55 degrees. Okay, mirror 6. This one actually names the angles ABC, so I'm going to write A plus B plus C equals 180 degrees. Well, this triangle is a right triangle, and we know a right angle is equal to 90 degrees. So I'm going to substitute C with 90. B is 28. It does not give us A, so I'm going to bring A down. Equals 180. Our like terms are 28 and 190. And if you can't do that in your head, you go off to the side and add them. It's 118, so A plus 118. Oh, I forgot, draw your line. Bring down your 180. And the inverse of adding is subtracting, so I'm going to subtract 118 from both sides. These cancel out. Bring down your A. Can't take 8 from 0, so regroup. That's 2. That's 6, so the measure of angle A is 62 degrees. Last but not least, we have our reflect questions. Question 1. What did you discover about the sums of the interior angles of the many different sizes and shapes of triangles you designed and drew? We know that all the angles add to be 180. Question 2. How did you use a protractor to help you draw triangles with specific angle measurements. We will go over that later. Question 3. Create a formula to help you solve for unknown angles in a triangle. And we use this formula, A plus B plus C equals 180 degrees. Question 4. Create a problem and a solution using your formula to find the missing angle of a triangle. Here is an example problem.